If your heart is in your dream, no request is too extreme. My name is Liberty, and I am here to help you succeed sooner without having to get my scars. I had to learn all of these things while starting a business while homeless. And I firmly believe that God wanted me to go through this so that I could gain the wisdom to get better myself and then teach it to you. I had to go through the worst things so that I could be immune, because my biggest goal in life is to teach you how to heal so that you can be better mentally, emotionally, socially, spiritually, physically, and financially, so you can help others do the same. You're worth it. Stop being selfish. Share your story, unashamed, unapologetic, because there's people out there that need your help. And guess what? Your secrets keep you sick. And when you share something out loud, it loses its power over you. And it gives power to those who need you. Your story is someone else's survival guide. You're worth it, and they're waiting on you.